Today we are going to talk about a tablet from Huawei called the MatePad Pro 13.2 Paper Mate. It could be Paper Matte or it could be Paper Mate. I'm not sure which is which. Anyways, so once again in the whole entire tablet world, things have evolved so fast, and somehow today there is a need for some sort of like a hybrid combination of creativity as well as productivity, and it's like super crucial these days. And once again showing its presence in the overcrowded tablet industry, this is the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2. This is a flagship tablet, and this device, it promises enhanced creativity and productivity, making it like a potential game changer. And of course there's this ever ongoing debate and discussion whether or not this kind of devices would eventually topple Apple's iPads. Is it going to? Let's find out. So how does Huawei ensure that the MatePad Pro 13.2 stands out in this very overcrowded tablet market? With the tablet's flexible OLED display and its third generation M Pencil, its stunning hardware and 120 Hz refresh rate on this tablet, it aims to deliver this experience where there is a world beyond the iPads. Let's first talk about the design and the build. One of the first things you would notice about the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 is its stunning design. At just 5.5mm thick and weighing 580 grams, this tablet is both slim and lightweight. And despite having a larger screen than its competitors, such as, of course, the iPad Pro, the biggest one is 12.9. This one is 13.2. But somehow, it manages to be 100 grams lighter than the iPad Pro, and almost a full millimeter thinner than the iPad Pro. The design is sleek. It is complemented by these super slim bezels around the 13.2-inch screen, making it incredibly comfortable to hold. There are two finishes. One is the golden black and the other is the green one. The rear cover is crafted with high-strength fiberglass, which not only offers durability, but also has nano optical coating to give it a metallic look. And this one, the one that I have in my hands, has the micro sand texture that ensures the tablet doesn't pick up greasy fingerprint. You know, all of your smudges of your fingerprints after holding. You know what I'm talking about, all of those fingerprint magnet texture. It's nowhere to be found on this tablet. The display has got to be one of the most standout features of the MatePad Pro 13.2. This is the world's first flexible display in a tablet, utilizing Huawei's X True Display technology. So it boasts this very nice HDR brightness of 1000 nits, a very pro-level color accuracy, and 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio. The OLED screen ensures deep inky blacks, and they prevent any kind of blooming, which are common issues with things like your mini LED screens. The refresh rate is 120 Hz, 360 Hz touch sampling rate, and 1 millisecond response time. The screen, I kid you not, is incredibly responsive. So this makes for an entirely impressive experience, whether you are drawing, writing, or just simply navigating through applications or web browsing. The responsiveness can be felt like it's super fluid, and it's further being enhanced when you combine with the M Pencil, the third generation M Pencil. So if you use this with this, the entire experience is marvelous. Now, talking more about the M Pencil, another crucial element of the MatePad Pro is the third generation stylus that I've mentioned already, and it attaches on top of the tablet magnetically. And when you are doing this is actually charging the M Pencil as well. So this stylus offers more than 10,000 levels of pressure sensitivity, and paired with the near zero latency, responding to the subtle nuances and the pressures when you tilt it around. Now, because of all of those things that I've mentioned, it makes the M Pen really precise for writing or doodling or drawing, painting. Yeah, all of your designing things, it's really precise. Let's talk more about the audio quality from the tablet and talking about the tablet in general as an entertainment unit. So for the audio quality, it is often overlooked when it comes to tablets. But this Huawei tablet, it has taken this into account, and the device is equipped with powerful speakers. and it's being further tuned with Huawei's sound technology. Just to give you some perspective of what I'm talking about, here's an audio sample. Immediately, it will also unlock the door. And earlier on, I thought that all digital door locks does this. But after much research, I found out that many brands, they do not offer. So whether you are watching a movie, playing a game, or just listening to some audio tracks, this will get your back. Productivity features. There is a separate keyboard accessory that you can pair together with the tablet and turning this into a working laptop. But again, this entire thing is being equipped with Harmony OS, Huawei's own operating system. And if you know, they've been out of the Android game for some time already, but I've managed to do a workaround where I installed this thing called the Gbox. It's an app that can install Google Play Store onto the Huawei tablets and have all of your favorite Android apps installed as well. I've been using it for work. I've been installing apps like your Microsoft Office, Notion, Microsoft Teams, and I've been using this for work for about a week already. And I can say that the entire typing experience using the trackpad over here on the keyboard, and of course with its touchscreen and the M Pen, it makes for a really, really nice productivity experience using the Huawei tablet. And I think if you really want to use this for productivity, you cannot forego the keyboard accessory. I think it is essential to have it paired together. Out of the box, it features a two-part design, a back cover over here with a built-in kickstand and a detachable keyboard. So the keyboard and the back cover with the kickstand, this comes together, and this is what you require if you want to have a very good productivity output out of the tablet. So this setup, it allows you to use the tablet in various configurations, including a traditional laptop, in studio mode for drawing, or in a compact setup perfect for tight spaces like on a train or on a plane. And I really like that the kickstand can go all the way there, turning this into like a drawing canvas and for you to do all of your artwork around. Okay, battery and charging. This tablet, it offers around 10 hours of regular usage on a single charge. You'll be also glad to know that it supports fast charging with Huawei's 88-watt supercharger. And this charger is kind of cool because it has both USB-C-A and USB-C ports. So 2-in-1 charger, that's real handy. So this fast charging capability, it ensures that the tablet is ready to go whenever you need it. Now, what about the limitations that's involved in using the tablet? So yes, if you do not want to install Gbox, you will not get the entire Android experience out of the tablet. So you got to manage your expectations a bit over here. But a lot of the essential apps can be found and downloaded within the Petal Search or Huawei's own App Store. Applications like your YouTube can only run on the mobile browser version, so it is not perfect. But if you can install Gbox, I highly recommend you to do that. How to do that? I've already made a video, you can check it over here. Install Google Play Store over on the tablet and you're good to go. So over the course of several weeks, the MatePad Pro 13.2 has proven to be a very versatile tablet. Whether it's for work, drawing, editing, videos, watching movies, as well as reading, it performs beyond my expectations actually. The high quality display and superior audio makes for perfect entertainment unit for all of your media consumption. So overall, it's a very ideal choice for creators who need a reliable tablet for various creative work or productivity tasks. So in conclusion, I do like the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2. I think it is very close going against the likes of the Apple's iPad Pro lineup. The display is remarkable, the quality, crazy. Premium feeling, premium materials being used over on the tablet. Flexible OLED display, highly responsive M Pencil, fast charging capability. It's all that you can ask for from a tablet. The only thing lacking is of course the Google ecosystem, but then again there is a workaround already, Gbox. So if you're okay with that, if you can get everything running, I think this is going to be a very good tablet alternative apart from using the iPad. So that's it guys for the review. I hope you do enjoy this. If you do, hit the like button. And you can also do this, drop an emoji at the comment section. Just a simple emoji like a smiley face. It's good enough. That will help this channel with engagement, and ultimately in the long run, it will help the channel grow. And of course, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button to be notified whenever I upload new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!